while working on any electronic circuit. If we need a known value resistor that is unavailable, or we need a custom value resistor for our circuit design. In both cases, resistor is not available. In first condition, we know the resistor value but not available. The second option, we need a resistor custom value for our circuit design and we cannot find regular resistor in that value. How to make a custom value resistor? Just for example, I am working on any circuit. I need a resistor 8210 ohm, 8.210 ohm. It is not available. The circuit don't have too much space that we can connect two resistors in series. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am your host Muhammad Ashraf and I welcome you on my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, I will invite you to subscribe it. Press bell icon and notification for all so that you will be notified for my new uploads. When we need a resistor that is unavailable, we will select some higher value resistor that is commonly available. Let's suppose I have 10 kilo ohm RT 8210 ohm. In that case, we will use parallel resistor combination. This is R1, this is R2. We can use potentiometer, but this is the best option. R1 10 kilo ohm. Because when we are using potentiometer, that time power rating is critical point. We need R2, unknown. Now we will calculate using this formula. R2, R1 into RT divided by R1 minus RT. R1 10,000 ohm. Multiply with 8210 divided by 10,000 minus 8210. We need 45865, 45.8K. Now we can use 47K standard resistor. This 10K and I have this 47K. If I will connect both in parallel, we can calculate RT R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. The new resistor will 8245. That is much closer to our required value. If we calculate with tolerance, it will perfectly match with our required value. So we can connect both resistors in parallel. Now if you connect resistors in this way, we have 8.2K. Perfect. So using this method, we can make our custom value resistor. Okay, this is one combination. The second option, I have this 15K, R1 15 kilo ohm. Using same formula, we need 18,136 ohm, 18 kilo ohm resistor. 14.85. We calculated 15K, practical value is 14.85, 18.20. If we'll combine these two resistors, practical value of these two resistors 8.209. That means it is exactly matching to our required value. This 13.5 kilo ohm. Third condition, 20.9K, R2 20,951 kilo ohm, or 20.95 kilo ohm. I have this 20K resistor. If you will connect these two resistors together, we can connect 21K or 20K. Now we will see if we connect 20K, what will happen. Target value will 8059. Okay, 21K 8217. So we will use 21K resistor if we can find, or we can readjust the value. If this is 13K, we can select any closer value, 12K, whatsoever. So using this technique, we can find the exact match to our resistor value. So I think this is the best option, and this is also the best option. (8,224 ohm), that is closer. This is 8209. So this match is perfect. If you think this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.